level will be about where the right hand meets the left hand. Like we've been doing some videos on left hand, practicing broken chords, while the right hand stayed fixed on some organized set of notes, do, re, mi, so, la. And then some other videos will play block chords on the left hand and improvise on the right hand. But right now we are bringing both hands together, broken chord on the left and improvisation on the right. Now what are we doing? Because it is usually a difficult task on the brain of beginners to bring broken chords on the left with improvisation on the right. We're going to do something to make it easy. We're going to limit our improvisation to just 3 notes, do, re, and mi, and we're using these 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. So one simple thing I want you to do before you practice this is to just play do, re, mi at random, something like this. Exercise those 3 fingers and just excuse me, teach yourself to play them at random, so that when you bring your chord in, you're already used to being random on those 3 notes. Now this is how it goes. So basically, what did I just do? I improvised do, re, mi. I went to the next octave of do, re, mi. At some point I touched the T, but it's not necessarily important. But just know that you have broken chords. Can you see? I did those, though I didn't hit it at once, I broke it. Don't hit your chord at once, you do. And sometimes after hitting down a chord, you can arpeggiate it. Arpeggiation simply means playing around what you've pressed down. I'll put a link in the description below on my video on what an arpeggio is, then you'll understand. Then this arpeggio. So arpeggio is after you finished getting the chord you want to get, you just play with it like you're dancing on it basically. So that's extra, that's not really necessary. The basic thing you're supposed to learn from this video is improvisation on the right hand and broken chord on the left hand. Please and please and please practice this exercise for a very long time. When you get the hang of it, join me in the next level. Please subscribe, make comments down below, I'd really appreciate it.